Today we're relocating this switch to the side here and installing conduit from this box to this wall to install a double pole switch. Let's start opening boxes to remove wires so that we can remove the conduit that we have to replace. The red wire and white wire in this box must be removed because it runs through the switch and conduit we are removing. Dismantle the switch. Start pulling out the wires through here, then here. Remove the conduit. Bend and install new conduit. Mount the box to the new location. Then install a 90-degree bend. Homie working on the double pole switch. Ran the new wires, spliced how they were before, covered the junction box. Reinstall the switch. Reinstall the outlet. Switch is relocated. New conduit and wires for double pole switch, which will be connected tomorrow. Follow for more.